just like me, learning how kind my heart could be. Sometimes I shared, sometimes I forgot. Sometimes I tried, sometimes I did not. But the calendar turned and the new year said, "Hey, little friend, try again instead. This year I'll try to be a better me. Say kind words and help when I see. If I make a mistake, that's okay too. I'll say I'm sorry and start brand new. I'll listen more and shout less loud. I'll cheer my friends and make them proud. I'll clean my mess, I'll take my turn. Every single day I'll learn and learn. Hands on heart, take a deep breath. Clap for trying your very best. This year I'll try to be a better